Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn on how to cook daddies. These are very soft, crunchy and very yummy. So start off putting the sugar in a bowl, followed by milk powder, and just in case you don't have milk powder you can use milk as well. And I'll put all the ingredients on the screen. So we are going to put butter. Of course, if you don't have butter you can use Blueband, and of course add warm milk. So in this case I use warm milk because I want my dough to be soft. Yeah, these are going to come out very soft whenever you use warm milk. And of course use flour. So we are going to add flour and baking powder, of course. So yeah, and we are going to also add the vanilla. This is going to bring out the scent, and when you smell them, I guarantee you this smells so nice. And we are also going to add ginger powder. So if you don't have ginger powder, it's fine, you can grab a fresh orange. And when I'm talking about fresh orange, I mean the green one. So you're just going to grate it because we want that scent to be very strong. All right, so just go ahead and mix it, mix the dough until it's tough. Alright you guys, so this took me 5 to 8 minutes until I got my dough ready. So this dough must not stick. That's the only way you're going to find out that it's ready. And so after that we are going to grab our foil and cover it, because if the dough is not ready, this is going to make it even more ready. And just put it in the freezer, or you can just leave it outside, yeah, for 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes is enough. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the foil and get our butter done, our dough done anyway. So yeah, of course I grabbed this, and if in case you don't have this, you can use your tray, anything that is flat, anything that is going to be easy for you, as you can see the way I'm doing it right now. So this, what I'm cutting right now, is called daddies. And you guys, I want you to rate my cutting skills, because I mean, I have experience in this and I want you to try them out. They are very yummy, they are very soft, and you can store them for so long, maybe 2 to 1 month. Yeah, so we are going to make another one, and yeah. So you guys, you are going to be making this the same thing until the dough is finished, and make sure you preserve an empty tray whereby you keep all these though the one you have cut into small pieces. And this is what we call daddies. Like, you need to taste them. They taste really good, very crunchy, soft, and yummy. Perfect for this holiday season. And yeah, your family and your kids will love it, and you won't stop making this in your household. I guarantee you, I promise. Yeah, look at this. The smell, they smell really nice, very good. You need to test this, you need to try them out, and let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are going to try them out. And I'll also leave all the ingredients down. So heat your oil, and once the oil is at a medium heat, go ahead and put these daddies. I promise you they're going to turn out brownish, yeah, gold brownish. And once they are gold brownish, we are going to just turn them around, and yeah. Also, I went out of oil. I used a little bit of small oil. That's why you're seeing me struggling right now. But you need to have a little bit more oil than I do right now, because I ran out of oil and I can't get any right now. So yeah, so these is the way how they came out. They taste really good. You must try them out, and once you do, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in my next video. Bye.